In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on WhatsApp. This can be done in 30 seconds, so here's what you need to do. So first, go to WhatsApp, make sure it's open, and then click on the green button in the bottom right hand corner. And it's going to give you the option here to add a new group or a new contact. Click on new contact. It's then going to open up your phone's settings here where you can add a new contact. So enter in the name. Once you've done that, you can then enter in a phone number. So I'm going to paste in a phone number here. Once that's done, all we need to do is click on save, and that contact will then be added to your phone and will also be added to WhatsApp. So then I can go back onto the WhatsApp home screen, and if I wanted to message the person that I've just added, I can click on the search icon and then search for that contact, and you can see Craig then appears as a contact. So that's all you've got to do to add friends on WhatsApp. If that helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.